Hello everyone, welcome back here to my YouTube channel. Now Open Mainnet is coming. Everyone know about it because the FICO team officially announced the launching of Open Mainnet. Even some exchanges announced the listing of Picoin. Inside this video, I will show you how to deposit your Picoin to OKX exchange, how to withdraw your Picoin from the Pi wallet, how to withdraw your Picoin from the Pi network, from the Pi ecosystem, how to deposit to OKX exchange. You know, 20 February 2025. The listing is coming. Even like I said, the listing is confirmed. So make sure to deposit your Picoin before the 20 February. Make sure you should be ready. You should be ready for the market. You should be ready for anything because anything that can happen with Picoin. The price can pump to the upside. Even what I'm telling you to book your profit. At least book your 50%, 40%. So watch this video, share this video with everyone inside this video. Step by step, I will show you how to deposit Picoin to the OKX exchange. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about the Pi network, Crystal project, meme coin, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this is the article inside OKX exchange. OKX was the first exchange to announce the listing of Picoin. And then you can see the Bitget, Bitrue, Lbank, MEXC, many more exchanges. So checking this article, inside this article, it will guide you step by step how to deposit your Picoin inside the OKX exchange. Although you can see the screenshot. This is the screenshot. Pi network is available inside OKX. You can deposit your Picoin. You can see your wallet address, even the minimum deposit amount. Okay, so this is the article inside OKX exchange, how to deposit your Pi into OKX safely. So if I scroll down, you can see somehow a paragraph about what is Pi network and then when and where will Pi network list. So you can see Pi network will list on OKX in mid-February 2025. So how to deposit Pi into your OKX account? Okay, how to find your own Pi deposit address in OKX? First of all, what do you need to do? If you don't have any OKX account, simply create OKX account, complete the KYC, verify your account, and then simply click on the deposit option. You can see in here. This is the deposit crypto. Click on this and then make sure to select your Picoin. Select crypto Picoin, select network Picoin, and this is the deposit detail. This is your wallet address. Deposit address. This is your wallet address. Simply copy this. The minimum deposit amount is 0.7 times 0 is 1. Although you can see the screenshot. This is the Picoin. This is my own wallet address, my own Picoin deposit wallet address. You can see the screenshot. The same thing. It's very easy to find the Picoin inside the OKX action. Simply click on deposit a crypto, select Picoin, select network, Picoin, and this is your wallet address. Copy this. Okay, now simply go to your Pi browser. Open your Pi browser and then click on wallet. This is your wallet. You can see this is the wallet inside the Pi browser. So after that, import your passphrase to unlock your Pi wallet. Make sure your 24 passphrase, make sure to paste in here in order to unlock your wallet. After that, simply in here, click on pay and request. Click on this, pay and request. Once you click on this, and then if you scroll down in here, you can see we have the option, manually add wallet address. Even you can scan or show QR code, but make sure to click on this, manually add wallet address. Once you click on this and then simply paste your wallet address in here. Wallet address, OKX deposit address, make sure to paste your wallet address in here. About the memo, it's optional. You don't need to paste anything in here. So in the top, your Picoin, what I'm telling you, for the first time, deposit one Picoin for the confirmation. For the first time, deposit only one Picoin for the confirmation. After that, you can deposit your all Picoin. So, and then click on send option. So click on confirm. Somehow check everything about this. Okay, so transfer succeeded. So this is how you can deposit your Picoin to the OKX exchange. A very easy step-by-step guide. Even I will give the link below in the description. Make sure to check it yourself. So even I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. This is a guide. I can say this article already available inside OKX Exchange. They just updated the article, I can say yesterday or the day before yesterday. They just updated the article, because in here you can see Pi network will list on OKX in mid-February. Okay, so this is a step-by-step guide about the Pi network, how to withdraw your Pi coin from the Pi wallet to the OKX exchange. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Smash the like button to me while I'm high. If you still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up being here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.